How to make your furniture smell great. A wonderfully worn-in sofa is excellent for curling up with a book, binge-watching your current TV passion, or catching up with friends. Sweat, food spills, and pet stains can seep into the fabric, leaving a persistent odor that detracts from the beauty of your couch. Finding the best stinky sofa solution can assist to refresh your couch as well as the rest of the space. There are a number of successful, all-natural methods for removing odors from various types of furniture. Here are the 3 best methods to clean furniture using all-natural ingredients. 1. Baking soda and vacuum. Baking soda is a natural adsorbent, which means that when used appropriately, it can absorb bad odors. If you have fabric-covered furniture, put baking soda in a salt shaker or similar dispenser and liberally sprinkle it on the areas that need to be refreshed. Baking soda does not act instantly, so allow it some time to neutralize as many odor-causing particles as possible. It's best to leave the baking soda on for an hour or so, but if the odor is particularly bad, you can leave it on overnight. When the amount of time you are comfortable with has gone by, vacuum up all of the baking soda. You should be able to smell a significant difference in most fabrics. 2. Baking soda spray. If you don't have time to let the baking soda rest, you can use a spray solution instead. Combine 2 to 3 tablespoons of baking soda, a couple of drops of essential oil, such as lavender, and warm water in a spray bottle. Shake it well before spraying it over your furniture for a speedy and safe fabric refresher. The essential oil helps to conceal odors while the baking soda leaves a light layer on the surface to start neutralizing odors. The challenge is to get the correct quantity so that the oil isn't overwhelming and the baking soda doesn't leave a residue, so this is more of a trial-by-error approach. 3. Vinegar spray. A little baking soda won't be enough if your furniture is starting to smell due to major stain or grime issues. In order to deodorize furniture in this case, you must first clean the fabric thoroughly and eliminate the cause of the smell. To make a DIY cleaning spray, combine together half tablespoon of dish soap, 1/4 cup of white vinegar, and 3/4 cup of water. Spray the solution over the cloth and thoroughly massage it in with a scrubbing brush. Next, rinse with a clean bucket of water until the soap suds are gone. Allow the area to dry naturally or move that portion of the furniture outside to speed up the process. It's important to remember that vinegar is acidic and can harm delicate materials, so test this method first on an inconspicuous area before using. 4. Activated charcoal. Activated charcoal is a more effective adsorbent and odor remover than baking soda, and it can handle a wider range of particles. This highly purified charcoal dust, on the other hand, isn't the greatest item to use on your furniture since it might stain. Instead, use activated charcoal freshener bags and place them in the corners of your furniture to reduce potential odors. Drop us a comment below and let us know which was your favorite DIY method. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.